by the government or others based on race. And I want to
term of Africans, coloreds, and Indians. In the census and other statistical reports, Stats SA uses the terminology Black African, colored, Indian stroke, Asian, and white. The use of race-based terminology will always be difficult for our country, like ours, for a country like ours to accept as we work to put behind the racial injustices of the past. However, until we have reached our goal of equality for all people in our country, there will be circumstances when we need to use such terminology. Our responsibility is to ensure that our use of such terms ultimately makes the differences they refer to less and less important, until they are rendered meaningless and no longer serve any purpose.
I thought that we are about one issue. La ukuthi aseqhamukaphi lawa abuzayo mfo aseyinkinga lapha kimi. Kwaphela sizele ukuzobuza ukuthi kuyabulawa eSouth Africa. Akukho umuntu ofayo eSouth Africa. Is there any danger